Good morning, everyone. It's PT, and it is time to rise and shine. When God confronted Cain about what he had done to his brother Abel, Genesis 4, he said, "Am I my brother's keeper?" It was a kind of audacious response to what God was probing and asking about. I mean, if you think about it, it lacked real humility, which doesn't surprise us because the state of mind that Cain was in was a rebellious one. And rebellion will show itself up in arrogance and even audacious words. And we know we're off track when we look like that. The Lord calls us not to be a people who have hubris, but have humility. Like when the Lord's trying to get our attention, when we find ourselves under conviction, let's not resist God. Let's not say, "Who are you?" Or, I don't need your word in my life. Instead, let's bring our hearts softly before Him, because God, listen, you know this. God resists the proud, but He gives grace to the humble. And we're all going to need grace. Oh, Lord, give us a heart of humility, not the heart of hubris. Humility. Yes, in Jesus' name.